At the Medical Research Council, we are given a budget by the UK government to fund scientific research aimed at improving human health. We receive many more applications than we are able to fund. An expert or peer review allows us to work out the ones that are internationally competitive. Understanding how we allocate funding will help you better navigate the selection process and write a more successful application in the future. Because we don't have infinite amounts of money, we need to be sure that the research we are able to support is of the highest quality. We need to make sure that the process is fair, unbiased, rigorous, and informed by the best and most up-to-date scientific knowledge. To do this, and ensure high-quality decision-making, we use a two-stage peer review process, where scientists review the work of other scientists. We send each of the ideas we receive to independent experts working in the relevant field, and we look for a diversity of people with the right knowledge. We ask reviewers to look at the UKRI core assessment criteria. Based on their responses to the criteria, reviewers give their comments and an overall score from 1 to 6. Depending on what has been applied for, some applications may be assessed with a face-to-face interview, but most will be assessed as written by a research panel. Armed with the comments from reviewers, panel members examine the applications in their own time. They are asked to make sure that the reviewer scores given reflect the comments made. And as experts in their own right, they use the comments to provide a view on how competitive each application is for funding. Close attention is paid to every application, and this is the first point in the process where we begin to sort which projects have the potential to receive funding or do not meet our criteria. Where we have large numbers of applications, they are discussed at a shortlisting meeting. There, they are shortlisted by a subgroup of up to 4 research panel members, a chair and the deputy chair. If an application is found to be uncompetitive, it will be declined. Anonymous reviewer comments will be sent to the applicant to help inform their future submissions. Applicants with the highest quality applications, those with the potential to be funded, are also sent anonymous reviewer comments and given an opportunity to respond to them in writing or in person at interview. To prepare for a panel meeting with all members present, panel members review all applications plus reviewer and applicant responses. At the meeting, each application is introduced by up to 3 panel members and assessed against the UKRI core assessment criteria. Following a wider discussion with the whole group, each member gives a score from 1 to 10. This wider scoring range allows them to provide their own view on the full package of information. Towards the end of the meeting, all applications are ranked according to their median scores and considered in terms of their fit with strategic priorities and scientific portfolio balance. Then, depending on the budget we have available, the panel will make a final decision about which applications we are able to fund. As an organisation, we exist to evaluate ideas for scientific research submitted by scientists and fund excellent research. We take pride in being fair, objective and transparent. All of our board and panel memberships, meeting outcomes and funded applications are published online. We welcome you to visit our website to find out more.